Welcome back to another Paraiso Realty property tour. Today we're on the island of Vieques. We're heading towards the neighborhood of Esperanza, a tourism hub these days, where we've got a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, absolutely adorable. Let's go check it out. So here we are in Esperanza on the south side of Vieques. This is Casa Anolis. It's an adorable 3-bedroom, 1-bath, currently being used as an Airbnb, but in the past it's been used as a winter residence and a full-time residence. We've got a nice little front porch here, shaded in the morning. This front porch faces north, so this porch is going to get shade all throughout the day. Coming in through the front door here, we've got a wood door, which is actually nice feature in the tropics, and a screen door. And it brings us right into the main room, which is a combined living room and kitchen and a small little sitting area for dining. It's a nice big open space here. Allows the breeze to come through. It's nice to have rooms that are opened. And right here you can see a little sitting area in the living room. So this is currently being used for short-term rentals. So it's a nice area for folks to sit and chat, play board games. The house has fairly new windows, as well as new air conditioners in a couple of the different rooms. We've got some nice ceiling fans as well. So you've got an option of leaving the louvered windows open, allowing the breeze to come through, which as you can see is mostly shaded. And if that's not enough for you, there are air conditioners in a number of the rooms. So you've got a nice little sitting area there for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You've got the TV up on the wall. This really works well as a short-term rental right now, but easily could work well as a full-time residence. Currently, because of the setup with short-term rentals, you've got a little small shelf area there for some of the essentials, spices, peanut butter, all that good stuff. There is a stove here, 4-burner stove, electric. There's a double sink there. And you can see the nice blue tile on the countertops as well. Some storage area there, which is kind of ingenious. You often see that down here on Vieques. And you notice the tile floor as well. That tile is throughout the property, or is seamless throughout the property. So that's the kitchen, which is suitable. You're not going to make Thanksgiving dinner there, but it is suitable for everything else. And then now, as I mentioned, it's got 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. So looking back towards the front of the house, that's the door we came in. Let's go check out the first bedroom. This bedroom is on the northeast corner of the house. It does have the louvered glass windows as well, which is nice because you can allow natural light to come in. At the same time, you can close them and turn on the air conditioning and not be in a dark box. So you've got the ceiling fan, you've got the louvered glass windows. There is a mini split, as I mentioned. Each of these bedrooms has air conditioning. This one has a mini split. As we saw in the living room and kitchen area, there's a mini split there as well. This has a nice bureau here for clothing, a little closet area. And this is a good sized room. This has 2 twin beds. The way this is set up for short-term rentals, a lot of these properties are being used by families. So often you've got a parent, the parents and then the kids. So it's set up so everybody has some space in their own room. So that was bedroom number 1. Right next was bedroom number 2. Same setup. We've got 2 twin beds, night table in the middle. You've got the louvered glass windows. You'll notice that the same tile throughout. Concrete walls, concrete floor, and a concrete ceiling. The roof is flat with the ceiling fans in every room. And these louvered windows also have a little tint to them, a little blue tint. I think that prevents some of the sunlight or the UV from coming in and fading the bedding and furniture and stuff like that. So it's a nice feature. Wood doors on each of the bedrooms also is a nice added touch. Coming back out into the main room, we're going to go visit the last of the 3 bedrooms. This to me is kind of the primary bedroom. It's a little bit bigger. This has what appears to be a queen-size bed, I believe, with the night tables on the side. This is looking on the southeast corner of the building. This room, while all the bedrooms do have AC, this one has a unit that's in the wall. Typically what happens here, these used to be in all the houses until we had folks that came along and could sell and service mini-split air conditioners. So as those crap out, people have been installing the mini-splits. But as you can see, nice light, nice space, another dresser there. So a decent amount of room, a decent amount of privacy. Again, wood door coming in. And then the bathroom is off the back of the house. It's a full bath. Here off the kitchen, we've got a little vanity closet there, shelving for towels and whatnot. And then this full bath has the shower, toilet, sink, and mirrored vanity. You can see the shower is all tiled. There is a window there for some ventilation that goes out outdoors. You can see some nice vegetation, a little tease of what's out there. It's a nice tiled shower on the walls and the floor. There's the toilet. There's a built-in vanity for the bathroom sink. You notice that's the same matching blue tile that we saw on the counter in the kitchens. So very, very sturdy. Nice touch to this house, and to me, this house really feels it's very nice and cozy. It feels like a little cottage. It is Esperanza, and the home just has a nice cozy feel to it. I don't know if it's coming through in the video at all, but those that have come and visited the property often feel the same. It's just a very nice, cozy cottage feel to it, which is ideal for a few people living in it, or for those that are coming in vacation there. One of the best features of this property to me is that there's some very mature vegetation. These are big fan palms, I think they're called. Very mature. It costs a lot of money to actually go out and buy these and have them planted on your property. And just look at them, they're absolutely just gorgeous. Providing some shade, late afternoon shade. The aesthetics are gorgeous. And they're also providing some privacy from the neighbors. So there's like 5 or 6 of them there. It's absolutely gorgeous. We've come out here on the side. There's a covered wooden deck here that kind of wraps around the side of the house. There's some bougainvillea there. There's a Christmas palm, some more bougainvillea. It's amazing the mature vegetation that's back here. There's also a mango tree back here, and citrus. And you could also plant some other items if you wanted as well. A little space back there for the garden. And from the back porch here, you can actually see the ocean. That's looking southwest. You can see the hills of the lower hills of Mount Prada there. So that anybody that has a desire to sit and stare at the ocean, there's your little peek, a little tease of what wakes you a couple blocks away. And this back porch area here, you can see there's hot water heater there on the wall. There's a washer and dryer, which is very common here in the tropics to have that outdoors. We don't have to deal with frost and stuff like that. And we've got a sitting area here, back table. This is ideal for breakfast, lunch, or drinks. And that table is big enough to fit about 6 people. So this is a covered wood deck on the side of the property. Really opens up this property from a cozy cottage to cozy outdoor space, indoor, outdoor living, which is nice. And also you can access this deck from the side of the house. And another nice feature is this, that there's actually an outdoor shower, which is perfect for coming back from the beach, washing all the sand off, coming back from Bio Bay, coming back from working in the garden. Just prevents all that dirt from getting inside the house. So this is Casa Anolis. If you'd like to come see it, take a tour yourself, feel free to contact us at ParaisoRealtyPR.com. Thanks for taking another tour. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next tour.